You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. And yes, there are different correct pronunciations in English. It essentially means ignorance or lack of knowledge. And one of the pronunciations is as nescience. Okay, you can just say nescience. You could also say nescience. You could also say nescience or nescience or nescience. So essentially, at the beginning you can either say ni or ne, and then science or science or science. Alright, so that's quite a few different combinations. Yes, you can pick your pronunciation in this case among all of those that I've talked about. Do you want to hear them again? Well, maybe go back, or maybe let's do it. Nescience, 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 nescience. Quite a few. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.